Okay, so for our last day of cryptography for the year, we are going to do a decoding when we know the last four letters. So what we're looking at here is you're like a spy and you have intercepted this. It's not necessarily a matrix, it's just a series of numbers that is an already encrypted message. And your job is to go back and figure out what that message says. However, the only thing you do know is you know that the last four letters of the message are space RON. So you know that this space RON. Okay, so let's start with what we know. In order to find the original matrix, we need a decoding matrix. Well, to find that, we need to assign the information that we know into a 2 by 2 matrix. So that space RON, like this, be space RON, a 2 by 2 matrix, would translate with those letters that we have with the alphabet of 0, 18, 15, and 14. So there's what we know so far. Okay, so let's remember that. This is what we know so far. I'm going to put this over here. We have 0, 18, 15, and 14. And again, let's label that as what we know. Okay, so this is our known letters. Okay, well, those known letters correspond to an encrypted letters in the encrypted message. Those letters in the encrypted message are the last four. So if you go back on the previous page and you look at the last four numbers in that encrypted message, they were -18, -18, 1, and 16. Okay, so these are the corresponding encrypted message. Okay, from what it was on the previous page. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the inverse of our encrypted message times what we know. So again, we're going to take the inverse of the encoded message. I don't need to write it. The inverse of the encoded message, we're going to multiply that by the last four digits of our original message. And this will give us our encoding matrix. So what we would have is when we multiply, again, don't forget that this is the inverse of the encrypted times what we know. What we end up at is our decoding matrix, which is, oops, need to do that, -1, -2, +1, +1. So our decoding matrix, again, is this guy right here. -1, -2, +1, +1. Okay, so now we are going to be using our decoding matrix to decode what we were given that we intercepted, that encrypted message from the very first page. So you have to be careful when you do this. We're decoding, so we're thinking backwards. We have to be careful about how we multiply. Normally when we are encrypting something the last couple of days, we would do rows times rows by columns. This time we're going to think a little bit backwards. Okay, we're going to be multiplying our encrypted matrix, and it's going to be 10 by 2. It's going to have 10 rows and 2 columns, as opposed to yesterday when we put it in, we would have put it into 2 rows and 10 columns. Since we are using a 2 by 2 decoding matrix, again, our decoding matrix is -1, -2, +1, +2. Okay, so we are going to multiply that, no inverse on this step, times our encrypted message from the first page, and we're going to put it in a 10 by 2 matrix. So it's going to be a tall, skinny matrix. Okay, and go back to that first page and see what those numbers actually were. We had, let's see if we can fit them in here, 8, and again, we would read it left to right, and so we're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right down our matrix. 8, 21, -15, -10, -13, -13, 5, 10, 5, 25, 5, 19, -1, 6, 20, 40, -18, -18, 1, 16. Again, what this is here is this was our encrypted message from the first page. And then what this second matrix here is our decoding matrix. We are not using any inverse on this. We use the inverse on the first step. Okay, so when you multiply those two together, you're going to get a 10 by 2 matrix again. So put those in your calculator, and when you multiply your 10 by 2 by a 2 by 2, you're going to end up with a 10 by 2 again. So when you multiply them, you should get 13, 5, 5, 20, that's a 5, 0, 13, 5, 0, 20, 15, 14, 9, 7, 8, 20, 0, 0, 18, 15, 14. Then you're going to go back to that box where it had all the letters, A, B, C, D, and you're just going to decode with that. And what you should end up with, 13 corresponds to M, 5 and 5, those are both E's, 20 is T, space, meet, me, tonight, I think there's a space in there. Space, Ron. And again, these last 4 digits were the ones that we knew that we used to figure out the whole rest of it. So what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead, you are going to decode, you're going to decode this message that we have here, okay? And again, what we know is IME is at the end with a space. So we know that these 4 correspond to IME. So go ahead and decode that message for homework and make sure you submit it to Cryptography Day 4.